Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to blend on Spotify. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Helpline, and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Spotify on your device and log in. Once you are at the home page, tap your username at the top and tap Settings. Here, scroll all the way down and tap Show Advanced Settings. Under Playback, toggle on Crossfade songs. You can also select the seconds to crossfade or blend your songs. The seconds depend on your preference. I will be setting it to 8 seconds. So that's how you blend on Spotify. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.